Yo, what's good guys? It's your boy Frank from Frank.com. In this video today I want to just talk to you about how I was speaking to a guy yesterday and he said he's been doing music now for 9 years and he's really struggling to make money from it. He's got bills to pay and stuff. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about I wanted to give you 6 quick tips on 6 music services that you can offer to make money from with online. As a musician, you shouldn't just rely on one source of income. You need a few incomes, right? Because as musicians, as music creators, we make music, but you don't realize it, but you end up having a lot more skills than you give yourself credit for. Okay, like 50% of my income comes from selling products on my website. The other about 40% comes from music services like feature hooks and stuff like that, and then the other 10% is ads. So let's say it's your goal to make $4,000 a month. Don't rely on say it's your goal to make $4,000 a month, right? Don't rely on just making that money just from one thing. You need to know how to put your finger in many pies to make that money. So the first one is audio mixing. Okay, if you're a musician or a music creator, producer, or you're a rapper, chances are you've been mixing your own beats and your own songs, unless you've got the budget to afford paying for it or outsourcing it to a mastering house or something. Chances are you mix your own records. So that's a service that you can offer, and you can mix other people's records only if your records are sounding good. If you've got good sounding records and you know how to mix records, list your services on Fiverr or on your website, put it up so I can mix your vocals. Start low, start maybe at $20. Offer a satisfaction guaranteed service to where if they're unhappy, you can refund them, just to entice people and just to get them to trust you to be able to deliver on what you're saying. This can include audiobooks, it can include many other things. It doesn't have to necessarily be music, but it's something that you can offer. The second is audio mastering. Again, if you're good at it, do it. If you're not, leave it alone. Just skip this step. I've got these written down here. Audio mastering, it's a service that you're offering to make people's audio sound better after the mixing stage. Okay. Number 3 is songwriting. Believe it or not, a lot of people don't write their own lyrics, or they're not that great at it. So you can make a lot of money from writing other people's raps, or writing their hooks, or writing their bridges. Write music for other artists. Okay, don't be afraid to write music for other artists if you're a good writer. Okay, you can make a shitload of money from it. And obviously, if you ever get a chance to work with a huge artist that's big at the moment, that's going to be a lot of royalties now and for many years to come. So songwriting is another huge thing. Number 4 is audio editing. Okay, many people don't have the time or the money to sit down and learn how to edit audio, like bouncing files, like chopping and editing, cutting out the bad silences, or just trimming up tracks or shortening them or pitch correcting them. This is all audio editing, and it takes time and consistency and money, and a lot of people don't have the time for it. So that's a service that you can offer. Number 5 is custom beats. So if you're a music creator and you can make beats as well, offer that as a side service. I sell beats. I sell a lot of beats. I've been selling for many years, and it's definitely something that you can do as well. The market ain't saturated because, like I said in a previous video, the world will always need music. Okay, movies need music, TV needs music, video games need music. People just like to listen to music. Okay, so don't be afraid to offer out custom instrumentals and beats if you're good at making beats. Number 6 is video scoring. Like I said earlier, you can score motion pictures, and you can there's a lot of, think about YouTube, right? Thanks to YouTube, it's a video platform where a lot of video makers upload their videos, and whether they make films or blogs or all of these things, you can offer a service for these people and say to them, listen, I can make music for your videos. Okay, if you need background music, if you need a scene music, anything, you can offer them that service. So that's cool. Those are just 6 quick tips for music creators to offer their services online now. Ideally, if you've got a website, you want to sell these from your website and offer them from your website, or you can use like me, Fiverr.com or freelancer.com. Okay, these are wicked platforms that have people looking for the services that you're offering already. So if you upload them at a good price and your customer service is good, then you're going to get a lot of traffic and a lot of orders. So hope that helps, guys. Leave a comment below, hit share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.